In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your important documents, photos, and videos using Gmail or Google Drive. Whether it's cherished memories or essential work files, knowing how to keep them secure is vital. Let's dive right in and learn how to make this a seamless process. First, begin by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. If you aren't already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account. Having access to your Google account is crucial as it serves as the gateway to both Gmail and Google Drive. Once you're logged in, you should see a grid icon in the top right corner of the page. This is the Google Apps menu, your portal to the various services Google offers. Click on this grid icon and a drop-down menu will appear, revealing icons for different Google apps. Find and click on Google Drive. Google Drive is the central hub where all your uploaded files will reside. Once Google Drive is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see options like My Drive and Shared with Me, among others. To upload a document, photo, or video, click on the New button located in the top left corner. This button is primarily for uploading and creating new files. Once clicked, a menu will appear with several options. You'll want to select File Upload for individual files or Folder Upload if you're looking to upload multiple files organized in a directory. After making your selection, your computer's File Explorer will open. Navigate to the folder where your important files are stored. Select the desired file or files you wish to upload. You can select multiple items by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac. Once selected, click Open and the upload process will begin. Depending on the size of your files and your internet speed, this process may take a few moments. A small window in the bottom right corner will keep you informed of the upload progress. Once the upload is complete, your file will now be safely stored in Google Drive. You can access it from any device with an internet connection, making it extremely convenient if you need it on the go. For added organizational ease, consider creating folders within Google Drive to manage your files effectively. This will help you keep work and personal files separate and easily accessible. With your files now safely in the cloud, rest assured they're backed up securely. You've saved crucial space on your devices while ensuring the protection of your important documents. Following this easy guide helps keep you and your data organized and ready for whenever you need them. Thank you for watching. Happy organizing.